If you're a Capricorn, birthdays from December 22nd to January 19th, you're known to be practical, ambitious, and focus on stability. When going through a breakup, you might present a stoic appearance to the world and keep your deeper emotions concealed. But even though you may be reserved in expressing your emotions, you will generally confide in a few friends you trust dearly. But if you were cheated on, you'll keep your feelings to yourself and withdraw, and likely put extra time into work as a way to avoid dealing with those emotions. Because of your loyalty and tendency to view your relationship in the long-term perspective, an unwanted breakup can be a sharp blow. You tend to take great responsibility for your partner's well-being, and when rejected, melancholy and even feelings of guilt can settle in. While you have a tendency to be overly critical of others, this breakup is a time for you to reflect on different viewpoints about the split. It's an opportunity for you to do some self-reflection and gain insights that will help you in future relationships. Hi, I'm Patty Blue Hayes, author, coach, and your guide to blossoming beyond heartbreak and cultivating hope as you sow the seeds of healing. So what can you do to move on after a breakup? Here are 3 tips to consider as you pick yourself back up after a breakup. 1. Focus on financial security. You have a practical approach to the end of a relationship and tend to be a long-term planner, so it makes sense to channel your emotional energy in an area of your life that is important to you. Climbing up that mountain, the goat does need stability and endurance in order to make it to the top. Strengthening your financial security can give you a sense of reassurance and control during uncertain times. Review any joint accounts you might have and take steps to close them and open your own accounts. Take an inventory of shared expenses, assets, and debts. And even though you might have a joint phone plan, get one in your name. You don't like loose ends, and having autonomy will help you confidently move forward. Invest your time and energy in improving your financial literacy. There are plenty of courses, articles, podcasts, videos, and apps to help you educate yourself on your finances going forward. Many of these resources are free. Instead of scrolling through mindless media, put some of that time toward constructive information that will serve you in the future. You can also redirect your energy toward your career and ambitions after a breakup. Capricorns are determined, and even though you may feel a bit deflated, channeling your efforts into professional pursuits or creating a side hustle can give you a sense of accomplishment and even provide a healthy distraction. Diverting your attention away from the emotional pain into your finances and career is a constructive way to channel your energy, but do keep in mind the importance of giving yourself time to process your emotions. 2. Clear the clutter. You appreciate structure and order, so during this time when a major part of your life is unknown, you will benefit from clearing your space. For sentimental mementos from your relationship, just put all those things in a box to be sorted at a later date. It will be too difficult to spend too much time reflecting on those personal effects. By taking charge of this decluttering and clearing process, you'll have a sense of control and feel purposeful. While you're clearing things out for a donate or trash pile, listen to content that will help you understand the dynamics of the breakup more clearly, or a topic that you feel would be valuable to you for your healing. Topics of self-love, healthy boundaries, and avoiding toxic relationship dynamics would likely give you some insight. So while you're clearing your space, you can also be reflecting on the lessons you're learning from the relationship. These practical insights will serve you in all of your relationships, whether with colleagues, family, and friends. When you're ready for cleaning after the decluttering, use a cleaning product with an essential oil scent you're drawn to. Aromatherapy can have an almost immediate effect on our nervous system. You may want to purchase a diffuser and have citrus essences to cleanse and purify. Or for evening, use lavender or frankincense and warm cedar for comfort and preparing for sleep. As you reorganize your space, change out cozy blankets and pillows from another room and bring in some different decor to make your space look a bit different from how it was during your relationship. Please help me continue to create these videos by subscribing to my channel if you find this content valuable. 3. Use crystals and gems for balance and grounding. Incorporating gems and crystals into your daily routine as part of your breakup recovery is easy and very beneficial. You want to select stones that have a calming and grounding energy that will alleviate the sadness and give you strength and openness. Black onyx offers a grounding anchor amid the turbulent emotions after a breakup. This potent stone serves as a shield, nurturing the sensitive essence of Capricorns and instilling a sense of security as you navigate through this challenge. Black onyx holds the power to dissipate negativity and fortify the root chakra, supporting you in establishing a firmer connection with the earth. Wearing black onyx not only provides protective energies, but also boosts your endurance, physically and mentally. Black onyx offers you vital support during a time when you have to balance the demands of work while navigating the emotional turbulence from the breakup. In rich hues of green, malachite is a beloved gem and offers invaluable support for Capricorns going through significant changes. As a stone of transformation, malachite serves as a shield for your emotional protection and gently encourages your heart space to expand. Capricorns are often focused on practicalities and remain guarded against vulnerability. Malachite can help you open up and create deeper connections with your supportive loved ones, helping you through this time. Among the diverse varieties of agate, black agate stands out as a beacon of practicality and protection. Those qualities resonate deeply with Capricorn's grounded nature, and agate can provide tranquility to your busy mind. Rooted in the essence of problem solving and inner exploration, agate embodies a balance between practicality and spiritual growth. While known as a stone of the root chakra, its influence extends beyond, fostering wisdom, introspection, and potentially profound spiritual evolution for Capricorns. And of course, red garnet, the stunning birthstone of Capricorn, radiates a captivating energy of light and fire. The luminous depth of the red crystal embodies a profound meaning, lifting your confidence and banishing negative emotions. Embracing the protective aura of garnet can form a protective shield against the shadows of depression. Whether you wear a bracelet or adorn your windowsill with these crystals, let them support your emotional needs. Remember, you're on a journey of healing and transformation. The seed does not become a blossom overnight.